In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify and Mailchimp. By the end, your store will be ready to capture customers and send targeted emails without manual exports. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin and that you have a Mailchimp account ready. Begin on your Shopify home dashboard. This is the central hub for your store where you can see orders, products, and apps. From here, head to the bottom left corner and open Settings. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Shopify updates the interface from time to time, but Settings is always in the admin area. Inside Settings, look for the section where your apps live. It may be labeled Apps or Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you manage integrations that extend your store's functionality. Open it to see a list of what's already installed. Next, choose Shopify App Store. This takes you to Shopify's marketplace of vetted apps. It's the safest place to connect tools to your store because permissions and compatibility are clearly defined. In the App Store search bar, type Mailchimp. Be precise with the spelling to bring up the official listing efficiently. You're looking for the trusted Mailchimp integration designed to sync your Shopify data with your email marketing platform. Open the Mailchimp listing to review details. Take a moment to glance at the description, screenshots, and permissions so you understand what data the app needs, such as customers, orders, and marketing preferences. When you're comfortable, select Install or Add App to start the connection process. Shopify may redirect you back to your admin to confirm. Click Install again to approve the requested permissions. This confirmation ensures the app can sync store data correctly. During this flow, you may be prompted to sign in to your Mailchimp account and authorize access. That's normal. Authorize so the two platforms can securely share information. After installation, the Mailchimp app will appear in your Shopify apps list. Give the sync a moment to initialize, especially if you have a larger customer base. If you're asked to choose a primary audience in Mailchimp or to enable marketing permissions, select the audience that matches your store's email strategy and confirm that customer opt-in settings reflect your policies. A few tips to keep everything smooth. Verify that customer marketing consent is collected at checkout. Double check that your store's time zone and currency are set correctly for email automations, and keep the app updated to benefit from fixes and new features. That's it. Your Shopify store and Mailchimp are connected, and you're ready to build campaigns, automations, and segments powered by real-time store data.